Okay, what is an angle? Yes, who will tell me what is an angle? Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav Bangad.
Yes, sir.
What is an angle?
An angle is a figure formed by two rays.
Your voice is not coming clearly.
Sir, now
Hmm.
a- an angle is a figure that is formed by two rays.
Okay, an angle is the figure that is formed by two rays. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Yes, Riddhi Siddhi. Yes, Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir. The
Hmm.
angle is a figure which is formed by two rays, which can be extended endlessly from one point, and they both have one initial point from which they start.
That initial point is called as the vertex.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See the definition then. An angle is the figure formed by two rays with the same initial point. यानी दोनों भी जो rays है वो initial point जो है दोनों का same होता है दोनों rays का. That is called as an angle. The common initial point is called as the vertex, and the rays forming the angle are called its arms or sides. After you see the figure, it will be more clear to you. See, this is the angle. You can see on your screen. There are two arms, and both the arms are starting from the same initial vertex or same initial point. See, this is the initial point. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? And this gap between these two arms, it is called as the angle. Okay. And we measure angle in degrees. We measure angle in degrees. जैसे टेम्परेचर का भी यूनिट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ टेम्परेचर? व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ टेम्परेचर? टेम्परेचर इज आल्सो मेजर्ड इन डिग्रीज, केल्विन, फ़ारेनहाइट. 3 यूनिट्स आर देयर फॉर टेम्परेचर. वैसे ही एंगल को भी 2 यूनिट्स होते हैं. एक होता है डिग्री, दूसरा होता है रेडियन. You will study this in higher classes when you will go in 11th 12th. That time you will study this radian. Okay. अभी आपको सिर्फ डिग्री पता होना चाहिए. So just for your knowledge, you should know angle has 2 units. One is degree and other one is radian. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? This page, whatever is displayed on the screen with the figure, you will write it in your CW. Okay. Is anyone having any doubt in what is angle? Okay. Let's move forward then. Now, what is an adjacent angle? Yes. Can anyone tell me what is an adjacent angle? शौर्य लाहौटी, we measure angles with the help of protractor. Geometric box में आता है देखो. Okay. Yes, Tanvi.
Sir, two angles which have a common arms, common vertex. What is called as, sir, that
Vertex.
vertex, and the angle I lies on the neither side of the common arms are called.
Yes.
Sir, it is right or wrong?
Yes, it is right. See, you have a common vertex, you have a common arm, and the two angles lie on the opposite sides of that common arm. Okay. When you will see the figure, it will be more clear to you. Okay. Two angles which have a common arm, common vertex, and the angle on the either side of the common arm are called as adjacent angles. Okay. I will show you the figure, then it will be more clear. See, this is the vertex. Okay. This point is the vertex. Okay. Now see, one arm will come out of this vertex. Okay. This is another arm, and this is the angle, and this is the common arm. तो यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. See, this is the common arm. Okay. This is the common vertex. और ये कॉमन आर्म के दोनों साइड जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, these are nothing but the adjacent angle. This angle and this angle are adjacent angles. Is it clear to everyone? What are adjacent angles? If there are three angles, then also no issue. Someone had asked me if there are three angles. Okay. So if there are three angles, there will be two arms. Okay. So adjacent angle का जो definition है, it should have only one single arm as common. Now, if we take this much only, then these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay. Or if we take this much, then these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay. Is it clear to you? Okay, again from the start, I will take this. What they have said, two angles which have a common arm. So in this figure, tell me which is the common arm. Which is the common arm? This is the common arm. कॉमन आर्म क्यों बोल रहे हैं हम लोग? क्योंकि ये एंगल के लिए भी ये आर्म है और ये एंगल के लिए भी ये आर्म है. सो दिस इज अ कॉमन आर्म. ओके. Because of this arm, we are getting two angles, this angle and this angle. Okay, so this is a common arm. Next, common vertex. This is the common vertex. Common vertex यानी common initial point. सारे आर्म्स यहीं से निकल रहे हैं from this point. Okay. And एंगल लाई ऑन द ईदर साइड यानी ये कॉमन आर्म के एक तो राइट साइड में एक एंगल होना चाहिए और कॉमन आर्म के लेफ्ट साइड में एक एंगल होना चाहिए. So these angles are called as adjacent angles. So these two angles are called as adjacent angles. Now is it clear to you? Now is it clear to you? So what all things are required for adjacent angle? एक तो common arm होना चाहिए, common vertex होना चाहिए, और जो uncommon arm है, these are uncommon arms, this should lie on the opposite side of this common arm. एक right में है तो दूसरा left में होना चाहिए. Okay. Okay, fine. Next. Next is types of angles. Can you tell me the types of angles? Yes, Lisa. What are the types of angles?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first type zero angle.
Okay.
Second acute angle.
Hmm.
Third right angle.
Hmm.
Fourth obtuse angle.
Hmm.
Fifth straight angle.
Hmm.
Sixth reflex angle.
Hmm.
And seventh complete angle.
Okay, 7 complete angle. So out of this, zero angle is of no use, straight angle is of no use, okay, complete angle is of no use. Remaining all the angles, they have the use, okay. So we will see one by one. First angle is acute angle, okay. Pay attention everybody, huh? Acute angle. First we will see the angle whose magnitude यानी degree, okay, the angle whose degree या फिर मैग्नीट्यूड यानी मेजर भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. वी कैन यूज द अदर वर्ड हियर, मेजर. द एंगल हुज मैग्नीट्यूड और मेजर इज मोर देन 0 डिग्री बट लेस देन 90 डिग्री. यानी एक्यूट एंगल जो है वो 0 डिग्री और 90 डिग्री के बीच में ही लाई करते हैं. ओके, looking at the figure it will be more clear to you. See, this is the vertex. See, one ray has emerged out. See, this is the second ray. And see this angle. This angle is what? This angle is of see this angle. This angle is less than 90 degree. Okay. क्योंकि यहाँ से हम लोग from this point, from this position we will start counting in this direction. Okay. So यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का रे आएगा तो ये 90 से कम वाला एंगल है. So that's why it is an acute angle. Is it clear to everyone? ये जो एंगल है this is less than 90 degree, so that's why this is an acute angle. So all the angles which are less than 90 degree are acute angle. All the angles which are less than 90 degree are acute angle. Okay. Who said it is 45? Have we measured this angle? We have not measured it. We don't know its measure, how much it is. It is less than 90. इतना हमको पता है, फिगर देख के ही समझ में आता है, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री का एंगल जब बनता है तो एक रो ये डायरेक्शन में, एक रे ये डायरेक्शन में होगा और दूसरा रे ये डायरेक्शन में होगा. दोनों के बीच में फिर 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म होता है. तो ये 90 से कम है, वो कितना है हमको पता नहीं है. ओके, दिस एंगल इज ऑफ हाउ मच डिग्री वी डोंट नो. Zero angle is of no use. Zero angle यानी 0 degree. Only a single straight line, that is zero angle. Okay, so that's why I'm not taking it. It's of no use. उसका कहीं पे use नहीं है. Okay, acute angle. This is very, very important. So what you should know about acute angle? Acute angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Is it clear to you? Acute angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Please give the response. Okay, next angle we will see. Okay, right angle. Who will tell me what is right angle now? Yes, Rajshri. What is right angle? Mani, the angle which is less than 90 degree, that is called as acute angle. 90 डिग्री से कम होना चाहिए एंगल, उसको हम लोग एक्यूट एंगल बोलते हैं. Yes, Prathamesh. What is right angle? Yes, Fraj, bolo. What is right angle?
An angle which forms of 90 degree is called an right angle.
Correct. The angle whose measure is 90 degree is called as a right angle. Now see, the angle whose measure is 90 degree is called as a right angle. See the figure now. See the figure. See, this is the vertex. Okay. Next, one ray has emerged out of this vertex. This ray is horizontal, and one ray that is vertical. Okay, so this angle between these two rays is called as right angle because it measures 90 degree. आप measure करके देखोगे तो ये 90 degree आएगा. Is it clear to everyone? दो रेज के बीच का एंगल अगर 90 डिग्री आता है सो इट इज अ राइट एंगल. दो रेज के बीच का एंगल अगर 90 डिग्री से कम आता है सो इट इज एन एक्यूट एंगल. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. म्यूट योरसेल्फ, व्रज. Next one. Who will tell me the answer for next one? Yes, Aditya Khatti.
Yes, sir. Next one is obtuse angle, the angle which is more than 90 and less than 180 degree.
Okay. तो 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा होना चाहिए और 180 डिग्री से कम होना चाहिए. Those angles are called as obtuse angle. Okay, the angle whose magnitude is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. After looking at the figure, it will be more clear. See, this is the vertex. Okay, one ray has emerged out. See, and see the second ray, and see this angle. Now see, this angle is more than 90 and it is less than 180 क्योंकि 180 का लाइन यहाँ पे आएगा. ओके, 180 का लाइन यहाँ पे आएगा और 90 का लाइन यहाँ पे आएगा. तो ये दो लाइन के बीच में लाई करना चाहिए वो एंगल. दैट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. ये 90 डिग्री का लाइन है और ये 180 डिग्री का लाइन है. ओके, तो 90 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए और 180 से कम होना चाहिए. दैट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir. Can I mute?
Yes. Is it clear to everyone? 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा और 180 डिग्री से कम. Okay, next one. Straight angle. चलो बोलो. What is straight angle? Yes, Manit.
Yes, sir. The straight angle is 180 degree.
The angle whose measure is 180 degree is called as
180
straight
degree.
angle. जैसे हम लोग the angle whose measure is 90 degree is called as right angle, तो वैसे ही the angle whose measure is 180 degree is called as a straight angle. Okay?
Sir, it is like a line only.
Yes, it is a straight line only. The angle whose measure is 180 degree is called as a straight angle. See, this is the figure. This is the vertex. One ray has emerged to the right and one ray has emerged to the left. और ये दोनों सॉरी रेस के बीच में जो एंगल है सॉरी that is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. So that's
Yes,
why it
sir.
is called as a straight angle.
Sir, can I mute myself?
Yes. Is it clear to everyone? Straight angle. This everything you will have to write it in your CW and also you will have to draw the figures also. I will share you the PDF file after the session. Okay, next. Okay, Reva. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And an angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree.
It is what?
And a reflexive angle.
Reflex angle, not reflexive. It is
Reflex angle.
reflex angle. Okay. Now यहाँ पे reflex angle क्या होता है? 180 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए और 360 से कम होना चाहिए। ओके, 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा होना चाहिए और 360 डिग्री से कम होना चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द रिफ्लेक्स एंगल। सी द फिगर, इट विल बी मोर क्लियर। See, this is the vertex. One ray has emerged out. See, this is the second ray, and see this angle. From here to here, this angle is called as the reflex angle. Okay. तो ये 180 से ज्यादा है और 360 से कम है। 360 यानी कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन, यानी यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया तो यहाँ पे फिर से आ जाएगा। इधर से आप काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करोगे एंड यू विल अगेन रिटर्न बैक एट दिस पोजीशन फॉर 360 डिग्री। ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Can I mute myself?
This is 270. Harshita, see, I will show you. This is 0 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. We are measuring in this direction. 0 degree, 90 degree. This is 180 degree. This is 270 degree. Again, at the start point, we will get 360 degree. Okay. So is it clear to everyone, the different types of angles? Is anyone having any doubt? So we have studied 5 types of angles. Who will tell me in short? 5 types of angles. Who will tell me? Yes, Manit, bolo.
Sir, we have studied 5 angle. First angle is acute angle. The angles which measure is less than 90 degree.
Correct.
Second, we have studied right angle. The right angle is degree which is measured at 90 degree.
The angle
Third
whose
is-
measure is 90 degree are called as right angle.
Right angle. Third is obtuse angle, which measure is more than 90 and less than 80.
180.
180. Fourth,
Which type
straight
of angle?
angle.
Which type of angle it is? More than 90 and less than 180. Which type
obtuse angle, sir.
of obtuse angle? Okay. Next.
Fourth, straight angle, which is measured as 180 degree. Fourth is reflex angle, which angle lies between 180 and 360.
This is the example of this reflex angle. Okay. So now we are clear with all the types of angles. We will move forward to the next part. Pairs of angles. Okay. So pair of angle में हम लोग 2 pair of angle पढ़ेंगे। एक तो पहला है complementary angle क्या होता है? Yes, who will tell me what is complementary angle? Yes, Shlok, बोलो complementary angle. What is complementary angle?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, I was having doubt in this. I was raising hand for that only.
Okay, you don't know about complementary angle. Yes, who knows about complementary angle? Just raise your hand.
Sir, can I meet myself?
Yes. Yes, Riddhi Siddhi. I think so. They are disconnected. Okay. Bolo Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then these angles are called complementary angles.
Correct. If the sum of 2 angles is 90 degree, then these 2 angles are called as complementary angles. Okay. A pair of angle, a pair means there should be 2 angle. Pair में 2 चीजें होती है हमेशा. Okay. So a pair of angle are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Okay. So you'll see the figure, that time it will be more clear to you. See, this is the vertex. Okay, so one ray has emerged to the right. This is the second ray, and this is the third ray. Now you can see here we are having two angles. Okay, this is one angle and this is another angle. तो ये दोनों एंगल का सम 90 डिग्री आता है. So that's why these two angles are complementary angles. Suppose we will give name to this first of all. This is A, this is point O, and this is point B, and this is point C. So from figure what we can say, angle COA plus angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, because these two are the complementary angles. So that's why their sum comes 90 degree. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
अगर दो एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री आता है तो दोनों एंगल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स होते हैं. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Manit, you have to make the angles with protractor and scale. No one will draw the figures with pen, first of all, and it should be with the help of use of the geometric box only. Okay, scale and all, everything you have to use while drawing the figure. अगर आप rough में ऐसे निकाल दोगे, so I will directly cut it. Okay, that is not acceptable in geometry. It should be with the help of scale, pencil, everything. No problem if you say that protractor has D. It has two names, protractor also and D also. Whatever you wish, you can say. Okay, next one. Supplementary angle है next वाला.
Can I say it also?
No, mute yourself now. Yes, Riddhi Siddhi bolo.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Supplementary angle.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sup-
What do you mean by
Yes,
supplementary?
sir. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measure up to 180 degree. The two angles of the liner pair like angle 1 and angle 2 in the figure. Supplementary, but two angles need to be adjacent to be supplementary. In
Okay,
sir,
mute your.
their measures would add to 180 degree. If we
Okay,
add two
correct,
angles,
correct. Their sum will come 180 degree. Mute yourself. Two angles or a pair of angle are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. यानी दोनों एंगल का सम यहाँ पे कितना आना चाहिए, 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए. Now see the figure, it will be more clear to you. So this is the vertex. One ray has emerged to the right. This is the second ray, and this is the third ray. Okay. Now you can see this angle and this angle. If we do the sum of both this angle, it will come 180 degree. Now we will give names to it. First of all, C, this is point O, this is point A, and this is point B. Okay, so what we can say for supplementary angles, angle AOC plus angle COB will be equal to 180 degree, because these two are supplementary angles, so their sum will come 180 degree. Is it clear to you? So in short, क्या ध्यान में रखना है आपको? For complementary angle, the sum of two angles is 90 degree. For supplementary angle, the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Okay, so we will start the exercise then. See the first question of exercise 7.2. Okay, so who will tell me the answer for first one? Yes, Lisa. Tell me the answer for this A1.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, A1 is reflex angle.
Correct. It is a reflex angle. See, it is more than 180 and less than 360. This angle, this angle. Okay. It is a reflex angle. Okay. Mute yourself. Vaishnavi Jaju, tell me the answer for B1.
Yes, sir. B1 is the straight angle.
Correct. It is a straight angle because its measure is 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. Next one. Yes, Girija. Girija. C1.
Sir, third one. C1 is obtuse. Obtuse.
ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. बेटा नींद नहीं हुई क्या आपकी? इतना डल आवाज आ रहा है आपका.
No, sir, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
And you should be very fresh in the morning. Okay. Your energy is quite down.
Net problem in my side.
Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Next one. Shlok. D1.
Sir, it is also obtuse angle.
Correct. Because it is more than 90 and less than 180. Okay. Next one. Who will tell me the next one? Yes, Arush Bangad. Arush.
Yes, sir.
E1.
Sir, E1 is right angle.
No, beta, it is not exactly perpendicular. It is not exactly making an
So,
angle of.
sir, it is acute. Sir, it is acute.
It is less than 90.
Yes, sir.
अगर आपको डाउट आ रहा है ना तो आप मेजर कर लीजिए. It will come less than 90 only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this one. Who will tell me the answer for this? Madhura. F1. Madhura Kishore Kakade. Yes, Aditya, you tell. Aditya.
Sir, it is acute angle.
Correct. It is also an acute angle because the angle between two rays, it is less than 90 degree.
Less than 90 degree.
Okay.
Sir, can I mute?
Yes. Rudra. G1. Rudra. Reva, you tell.
Yes, sir.
इतना टाइम लगता है बेटा रुद्र आपको? हाँ बोलो, ये इसका आंसर बोलो. जी वाला आप बोलोगे और एच वाला रेवा बोलेगी.
Sir, it is right angle.
It is right angle because its measure is 90 degree. Correct.
Sir, H1 is acute angle.
It is an acute angle. Correct. Both of you have given the correct answers. Okay. Till question number 1, you will complete everything in your CW. Remaining part, we will discuss it tomorrow. We will stop here. I will share you the PDF file after the session. First copy that, then start the exercise in your CW.